Hello friends, welcome to Twin Sisters Country Cooking Channel. Today we're making monster cookies. A couple weeks ago, one of my grandsons asked for monster cookies, so that's what we're doing today. Let's get started. We want to whisk our flour, our baking soda, and our salt together. We'll add our oats and stir it all together. So we're going to cream our butters, our butter and our peanut butter together. Add our sugars. Medium until it's fluffy, light and fluffy. Vanilla. Okay, now we're going to start adding the flour, but we're only going to mix it until it's just combined. M&Ms and chocolate chips. Okay, we're ready for the oven. So our cookies are getting done, but I will say this cookie needs to sit and cool off completely, because if you don't, they fall apart. But that's okay. We'll just let the rest sit and do their cooling, and then we'll hand them out to all the grandchildren. But I have to try one. So I'm going to take a piece of this cookie that fell apart, and I'm going to try it. It's hot. That is good and sweet. I like that. It's got a lot of candy in there. And chocolate chips. So that's a good cookie. Grandkids are going to love me for this. Well, thank you for stopping by. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a wonderful day. And I want to say, if you like this video and my other videos, please like and subscribe. That will really help my channel out a lot. Thank you, folks. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.